Aurora and Tempest, rival meteorologists. Each believe their own weather model captures nature's patterns best. Neither dinosaur's forecast predicted this storm, exposing critical gaps in how they each track the atmosphere.
Wait, this wasn't supposed to. The humidity spike came 2 hours early. How did we miss that?
The thermal gradient. We only tracked surface temperatures, not the upper air mass convergence patterns.
Look at this correlation. If we combine our models, we can actually predict these rapid shifts.
Dawn and Shade race to document the same fossil, testing if gentle precision beats efficient methodology.
These claws weren't made for fighting, and they're perfect for the delicate work ahead.
Documentation beats excavation every time. Facts over feelings, that's how you win. Energy spent on sentiment should go to results. That's just practical survival.
Grove's erosion equations hinted at something extraordinary. Aurora's markings might encode Earth's history.
These patterns. They're not just similar. They match perfectly with deposition cycles. Each line tells a story spanning millions of years. You're living history itself.
I've carried these marks my whole life, and now I know why. I am the map.
Spark and Luna find fossil-like ridges, debating if they're seeing a massive structure or tiny pieces up close.
Look at these massive curves. This has to be one enormous continuous structure, maybe hundreds of feet long.
The grain structure. Oh, whoa. It's definitely large-scale rock. These aren't tiny fragments viewed up close.
See? When we match the proper camera distance, there's no distortion. It really is that big.
All our evidence confirms it, V. This is a large, continuous formation that only looks like fossils.
Rex and Moss wonder if T-Rex skulls fossilize well. turning their gallery debate into scientific investigation.
You know, Moss, I've always wondered if these big skulls actually fossilized that well.
See, the key is how fast it gets buried. Quick coverage means better preservation, based on my tests.
The evidence is pretty clear, isn't it? These skulls can definitely fossilize well.